Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I have the Ring Video Doorbell PRO and I came across a power situation. So what was happening is anytime somebody would ring the doorbell, this unit would freeze on the app, or it would power off, or the doorbell would hardly ring. So I ended up buying a different higher capacity transformer and I started to have it installed. The situation that I came across was I actually had to run some errands. So I disconnected the power to the transformer, started swapping it out, had to make a run. Came back 2 hours later, so this unit was without power for about 2 hours. I came back, finished the transformer installation, and then the unit, nothing happened. There was no power whatsoever. So, I had everything plugged in, double-checked my wiring, and everything was right, and nothing. So, I took the unit off of the where the doorbell is, and what happens is on this side you have your reset button. On the left hand side you have a little flap. It's easier because I already took it off before, but remove the flap and you have a micro USB charger, or a port right here. Now with this in mind is you can actually, since this one is hardwired, it has to be hardwired to a transformer in order to work. I guess it has a capacitor or some sort of a little battery in here where you can plug it up and charge it. Now, I've come across threads where people actually had to charge this thing up for 12 hours or so before it would even power up. So I figured, hey, you got a cell phone charger here. This is, rapid charger, so what, 2.0 amps. So I figured this will, charge up that battery quick, but nothing happened. So even though I had it for a day plugged in here, nothing happened. Well, I was about to start taking this thing apart just to see it on the inside, and I decided to plug it up to a laptop. Now, I'm not sure if there's certain voltage requirements, but obviously a laptop USB port puts out a lot less power than this rapid charger. But once I plugged it up, it actually went and powered on. So I left it for a little bit, and then when I went and unplugged it and then hooked it up to the doorbell, it powered on just like it should, so it's working. So I was at the point where I was really disappointed, and I thought I had to buy a new unit because I had it plugged into the charger. But if you're going to do that, you can try plugging it into one of these, or try plugging it into a laptop, see if it works. But I've heard instances where some people had to have it plugged in for 12 plus hours in order for it to kick in. So mine was plugged in for over a day. So anywho, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other helpful videos.